Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a Wi-Fi speed test on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. I'm connected to a Wi-Fi connection, that is Wi-Fi 6, and we're gonna do the speed test to see the speed of the Edge 50 Pro. So we're gonna do that. Now of course, overall the speed will depend on the Wi-Fi that you use, but in this case, as you can see, it reaches around 760 megabytes per second, and the upload is 70, 75, nearly 75. There we go. So compared to the PC speed test that I just performed, the difference is not so big. On PC, my download speed is 948, and the upload is pretty much identical. So that's about it. This is how Edge 50 Pro performs with the speed test. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.